Dear students, I am Ismail, lecturer in computer science. In this knowledge sharing session, let's discuss about Introduction to HTML. At the end of this session, a successful learner will be able to understand the basics of HTML, demonstrate HTML tags and attributes, demonstrate basic structure of HTML, implement web pages with basic HTML tags. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to create static web pages. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee and team starting in 1989. HTML5 is the latest version published in 2012. HTML is used to format web pages with the help of various tags and attributes. HTML uses elements called tags to create and format web pages. In HTML, tags are written inside of less than and greater than symbols, which are called angular brackets. The name of an element inside a tag is case insensitive. It can be written in uppercase, lowercase, or a mixture of both. For example, the title tag can be written as title, where T is the capital letter, or it can be written in all capital letters. HTML tags. In HTML, tags and attributes are the basic building blocks. Each tag is an element written using less than and greater than symbols. For example, paragraph tag P is written as less than symbol P and greater than symbol. Generally, many tags used to have closing tags, like paragraph tag P, closing tag is /P. For B tag, /B is the closing tag. It is used to bold the text. For I tag, /I is the closing tag. It is used to change the text into italic. Some tags don't need closing tag. They are called empty tags or single tags. For example, image tag img, it is written like this: less than symbol img / greater than symbol. Line break tag br, horizontal tag hr. HTML attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information to tags. For example, image src is equals to sunrise.jpg, alt is equals to image of sun rising. Here src and alt are attributes of image tag. These attributes are implemented inside of image tag. src is used to provide the location of the image to link to web page, whereas alt attribute is used to provide the description of the image. When the image is not displayed on the web page, this description will be displayed. Another example, paragraph tag align attribute is used. Align equals to center, welcome. This align attribute tells that display the welcome text at the center of the web page. Basic structure of HTML document. Doc type HTML, this is optional. This tells that this is HTML type of document. HTML tag is the parent tag of the HTML document, which contains two sections. One is head section, another one is body section. In head section, you can define the title of the web page using title tag, and title tag should be closed. Head tag is closed. Observe here, title tag is closed before head tag is closed. So in HTML, we need to close the tags appropriately. Body section. Here we write main content of the web page. Whatever we write here, this will be executed and displayed on the web page. Body tag closed and HTML tag closed. How to implement HTML? To implement HTML, we need a simple text editor like Notepad or WordPad, and also a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Search for Notepad. In the search box, it will display Notepad application. Click on that Notepad application. It opens Untitled Notepad. Here you type the HTML code. Here doctype HTML, head, title is given as demo page. Under body section, h1 element is used to display hello students. Align attribute is used to display the text at the center of the web page. You save this file by clicking on File option and then select Save As. Now Save As dialog box will appear. Choose the appropriate location where you want to save your HTML file and then give your file name with .html extension. Here demo1.html is given as file name. Select all files as the type and click on Save button. Open your demo1.html file with a web browser. It will display output like this. Hello students at the center of the web page. Observe here, demo page is the title given to the HTML document. Some of the basic tags of HTML. Paragraph tag, which is used to display the text in paragraphs. Line break tag BR. Observe here, BR/greater than means this is single tag or empty tag. It is used to insert a line break. HR tag, horizontal line tag, used to insert horizontal line. Center tag, it is used to display the text at the center of the web page. Bold tag B, used to display the text in bold font. Italic tag I, used to display the text in italic style. Underline tag U, used to underline the text. Strike through tag strike, used to display the strike through the text. Superscript tag SUP, used to display the text in superscript like in X square. Subscript tag SUB, which is used to display in subscript of the text like X2, Y2 like that. This is the example program which is explain all the basic HTML tags. Doctype HTML. Here head section is we remove head section, which is an optional. Here we have only body section. Observe that in the first line we used center tag to display the text at the center of the web page, followed by U tag, which is used to underline the text. So hello students, welcome to HTML class. This text will be underlined and displayed at the center of the web page. In the second line we used paragraph tag and bold tag to display HTML in the bold font. stands for hypertext markup language, full stop. Then line break is inserted so that this line will be displayed in the new line. HTML is displayed in italic style, is widely used to create and format web pages. Web pages will be underlined. Paragraph tag closed. Strike HTML. So HTML text will be strike through. Then HTML will be displayed. In this line we have horizontal line tag HR to display horizontal line. Then it display bold X sub 1 subtag closed. Superscript 2 means it displays x1 square plus y1. Let's see the output of this code. See, hello students, welcome to HTML class is displayed at the center of the web page with underline. HTML is displayed in bold font, stands for hypertext markup language, full stop. And next line is displayed. HTML in italic is widely used to create and format web pages with an underline. HTML strike through, then HTML. A horizontal line is inserted using HR tag. Here x1 square plus y1 is displayed using subscript and superscript tags. Summary of this session. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating and formatting web pages across the world. HTML uses tags and attributes to implement web pages. In HTML, tags are written inside of less than and greater than symbols, which are called angular brackets. To implement HTML, we need a simple text editor like Notepad or WordPad and a web browser to execute HTML code. Basic tags of HTML includes HTML tag, head tag, body tag, paragraph tag P, bold tag B, italic tag I, underline tag U, center tag, line break tag BR, horizontal line tag HR, strike through tag strike, superscript tag SUP, subscript tag SUB. Thank you and happy learning.